Hey, what's up, XRP holder? This is selling time, this is buying time, or this is investing time, my brother. Everything I will tell you, my brother, in this video. But kindly, if you are new my channel, then click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. The XRP change occurring, as you can see here, this time absolutely gonna be positive now, and I am so happy to see this because I am also holder of XRP. Definitely, from last 7 days, XRP is under trending and completely go in the moon now. So we need, my brothers, to invest more and more. Definitely there is no option, my brothers, to be starting selling, and the reason is that, my brothers, to definitely if a holder are starting selling, so the coin is dumps down and they will fails down. So kindly, what you want, my brothers, to profit and absolutely, my brother, are lost. So tell me in the comment box, my brother. Absolutely, I am 100% sure to everybody want a profit. So definitely, if you want to follow a profit, so just only you follow this channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. I hope you never lost and you will every day get a profit. So this time, my brother, you can see here the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this time you can see here the change occurring 5.67%, my friend. They will move upward now. 0.7 USD dollar, my friend, is the latest price of XRP, and definitely they will hit 1 USD dollar, my friend, just in only in a few days. But remember, my brothers, to in the start of month every coin will very badly falls down. So therefore, my brother, there is, I think, in the next month, my brother, I think they will falls down. But don't see, my friend, the short fail at the mid of month. They will move upward and completely go in the moon like that. Absolutely, this is the last days of this month. So as you can see, my brother, the price is very fastly increasing now. So XRP holder, you need to hold, and absolutely if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time, my brothers, to you buy more. And definitely if you have any plan to sell, so I think you are wrong. Kindly, if you are a short-term investor, then wait just 2 or 3 days, and after that you sell it. So thanks for watching, XRP holder. Please like video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.